What's up, y'all? I'm Brooke and welcome back to the VG Bakers. Gracie's currently not here right now because we are not allowed to leave our houses, but we will still make videos just separately. So in today's video, I will be making cream cheese brownies. The ingredients for the cream cheese filling are 4 ounces of cream cheese, half a cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. These are the ingredients for the brownie filling. 2/3 a cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, 4 ounces of unsweetened chocolate, chopped fine, 8 tablespoons of butter, 1 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 large eggs, and finally 1 teaspoon of vanilla. It's time to make the cream cheese filling. First, microwave your cream cheese for 20 to 30 seconds until soft. Then add your flour, sugar, and sour cream to the bowl, whisk, and set aside. Now it's time for the brownie batter. Whisk together flour, salt, and baking powder in a bowl and then set it aside. Next, put your chocolate and butter into a separate bowl and microwave it on power level 50 and stir occasionally for about 1 to 2 minutes until it is melted. Then whisk your sugar, eggs, and vanilla into a separate bowl.
It is okay to use powdered eggs here. It does not affect how your brownies taste, look, or bake.
Now add your chocolate mixture to your egg mixture and whisk. Now fold your flour mixture into your chocolatey eggy mixture until just combined. Transfer half a cup of the batter to a separate bowl and then spread the rest in a square pan. Spread the cream cheese batter over your brownie batter. Microwave the 1/2 a cup of batter you set aside until melted and pourable, about 10 to 20 seconds. And then drop little blotches into your cream cheese and brownie mixture. Then swirl it in with a knife, leaving 1/2 inch border around the edges. Put your pan into the oven at a temperature of 325 degrees and let it bake for 35 to 40 minutes. In the middle of your baking, make sure to rotate the pan so that it cooks evenly.
A little tip here, stick a toothpick into the middle of your brownies and pull it out. If there are soft, moist crumbs on the toothpick, then that means that your brownies are done.
Let your brownies cool for about an hour in the pan before serving. Enjoy! Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really enjoyed the brownies, and so did my friends and family. So I hope you do too. And just remember before you leave to hit the subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell in this corner so you get notified whenever we post a new video, hit the thumbs up button on all of our videos, and finally comment in the comments below what you think we should bake next. Bye!